We're here at the NEU-JKF company, which produces high-quality ventilation systems for industry. Day to day, the company ensures clean air in production plants for the wood, metal, and food industries. This time, the company decided to ensure clean air for itself by reducing electricity consumption in its very own production facility.
The NEU-JKF company provides its clients with complete dust extraction and pneumatic transport systems, as well as the components needed to build them. The company certainly stands out on the Polish market for its customer approach, the unique design of its products, and their very high quality.
Thanks to an optimized lighting design, the use of light fixtures with very high luminous efficacy, and the implementation of a DALI control system, we were able to reduce electricity consumption by as much as 75%.
The main goals that guided us when choosing Luxon as our new lighting supplier were reduced electricity consumption and improved working conditions for our machine operators.
The project uses Luxon industrial fixtures, which feature a luminous efficacy of up to 180 lumens per watt.
Along with the lighting modernization, a new DALI lighting control system was also installed.
Using reflected light sensors, it measures how much light enters the facility through the skylights, and based on that, it adjusts the lighting to meet all the required standards and maximize electricity savings. The modernization was handled comprehensively by Luxon. So in addition to supplying the fixtures and programming the control system, they also performed the complete installation. An additional challenge was carrying out the installation work without interrupting the ongoing production at the NEU-JKF facility. In summary, thanks to this lighting modernization, the NEU-JKF company achieved additional savings by reducing electricity consumption by as much as 75%, improved working conditions, and fulfilled its mission. It has ensured clean air for all of us.